Yo, what's good, my boys? It's your boy ChampReacts, and I'm back with another banger. Yes, sir. I said I'm back with another buster, baby. Yes, sir. This is NBA greatest sounds and basketball moments, man. Hey, you know I'm a basketball hooping fanatic, bro. So I gotta watch every single basket. Where my basketball fans at, bro? If you a hooping fan, bro, not even, you don't even gotta be NBA, bro. If you like high school basketball, college, whatever, you into that, bro, hooping, bro, like, comment, and subscribe right now, bro, because I'm definitely posting those every single day, bro. We're never gonna lack on that, bro. I'm telling you right now, man. But this is NBA greatest sounds and basketball moments, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's for me. And let's get right to the video.
Stops, spins out to Jeff Green, fires away. His three-pointer won't go. Durant the rebound. Still plenty of time.
Yo, this is probably one of the best series.
Fires, puts it up. Bang!
Bang! Oh my God, who don't love the Curry bang, bro?
From about 30 feet out.
Who don't love the Curry bang, bro? Because you know every time he was shooting and Mike Breen was saying bang, you know it's buzzer beaters. Hey! That's a clean poster right there. That's a clean poster right there. Oh my God, that was a beautiful sound though. I'm not gonna lie. Oh gosh. That's beautiful. Yo, these buckets are so clean. The dunks, the shots, bro, they so clean, bro. I just love it. Let me turn it up so y'all can hear it. Turn it up so y'all can hear it. Hear that Zach LaVine dunk again, bro. Little poster. You telling me that's not aesthetic right there, bro?
Can't have that much spacing. You know why? They don't have many three-point shooters.
You telling me that's not aesthetic, bro? That's not ASMR, bro. A bunch of, bro, come on now. You know what's happening now. Woo! That shit sound like 2K, bro. I don't even think I'm playing 2K22 this year, bro, because I heard it's the same. Nah, that right there, that's beautiful, bro. That's visual. You can hear it, bro. Russell Westbrook, bro. Bro. Other than wearing them dresses, bro, he legit. Ay, bro, that is sick. That's a grown ass like D Wade right there, bro.
A lot of opportunities.
Like I want to see Donovan succeed. Oh yeah, Aaron. Eric Gordon right there, man.
Threw it away. Both teams turning it over here in the first.
I didn't know they was gonna have a block up here. What? Volleyball? You playing volleyball out here? Oh my God. They definitely playing volleyball, bro. This is a banger video, bro. This is a banger video.
Ferguson.
This is a banger video, bro. What? Oh my God, bro. What? That's T Ferg too, bro. T Ferg can throw it up there, bro. What? Come on now. That's T Ferg.
Wow.
That's T Ferg. Nah, but we gotta go back to that D book, bro.
Wow.
Bucket. That's bubble D book too. They wasn't losing nothing, boy. Come on now. Hey, for y'all, bro, who don't know me, I'm not a Suns fan. I'm not a Devin Booker fan. I'm strictly a Chris Paul fan, bro. Wherever he go, I'm going, bro. He retired. You know what I'm saying? I retire. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? Oh God. Oh my God, that's sick, bro. They be trying to play Andrew Wiggins like he not. Oh no, not DeMar. The Chosen. Yo, I know it's another one up here. I know, cause it's not even the sounds no more, bro. This is just beautiful, bro. This is just beautiful, bro. I'm falling in love right now, bro.
Under 2 to play. Harden, step back.
Oh, God.
Puts up the 3, got hit. Shot's good. And 1.
You. Oh, my God. Not on the best defensive players. Oh, no.
Looked at the crowd and said, wow.
Damn, pandemic.
6 rebounds.
And Black Air Force One Rottweiler puppy.
And the foul.
Hey, that did sound beautiful, bro. And he shot that Curry shoot, bro. He's honestly, bro, in my opinion, bro, because, you know what I'm saying, I was born 2000, bro. I'm 21, bro, this year. So, in my days of seeing basketball, bro, Steph Curry is probably one of the greatest shooters in my eyes, ever. You know, you got, like, Steve Kerr and stuff like that. But they wasn't main players, like Chauncey Billups, J.J. Redick, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that, bro. Like, they wasn't like, I don't want to be disrespectful and say like franchise star or whatever, but y'all know what I mean, bro. Like, it's different of Curry shooting than J.J. Redick, who obviously would, you know what I'm saying, winning a 3-point contest for sure. You know what I'm saying, bro? Oh my
Question.
God.
Would you build a website for a
Oh my
major
God, with these
with
ads,
more than
bro.
200 million
They be forcing it.
Whiteside, but Derrick Jones with a full run. Oh, that is just
Airplane mode.
Yes, oh, yes.
I don't know who likes the nickname airplane mode. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's beautiful.
Look at Randall being physical with James. Shot clock down to 4. LeBron lost it. Now regains, fires away, and drills it.
Bro, if you tell me that Michael is better than Bron, bro,
Seen that a lot as an opposing coach, where you think you're playing great defense and
you honestly, bro, have not watched LeBron James play basketball, bro, or Michael Jordan, bro.
he is not human.
That's beautiful too. Wow. Y'all remember when Scary Terry was getting buckets on the Celtics, bro?
That layup inside coming out.
Fans are rising now. The block.
Damn, Brad, you gotta watch out for Bam. He coming for you. Moritz to the. Bro, who the fuck is you, bro? Who do you think you are, bro? Yo, Zach LaVine, bro, that's duck-ademics, bro. Like, that's like
Knicks have played good interior defense.
one on how to dunk 1-on-1. Dennis Smith Jr., Zach LaVine, beautiful, bro. Beautiful dunkers, bro.
James driving and smashing it.
Look at that nigga Bron. Look at that nigga Bron. Yo, get the fuck out. Get off me, nigga. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck off me, nigga. Hey, yo. Oh, Chris Stapps. Oh, Stapps. You know what I'm saying, bro? We forgot about Stapps too, bro. Stapps like 7'5", 7'6". Can play everywhere on the floor.
Trey Young, ice cold delivers.
Oh, you know Ice Trey gonna get his.
In the period. A 3 from Grant, back iron, rebound Trent.
Wow, bro. It's just like that. One step, bro. One step. One step. And oh my gosh, into their
Rebound Trent.
one. Look, two steps into his floor, bro. And he just launched it like that.
The game at the buzzer. Damian Lillard at the buzzer.
Like, that's straight muscle memory passing. I mean, not passing, but like practicing all day, bro. Look at Alonzo Trier. Ooh, that boy getting himself.
smart passes on it. Horford will take.
Oh, what them is? Oh, that's Jay. That's Jay, bro. Y'all see his overall on 2K, bro. They disrespectful, bro. Acting like Jason Tatum not the truth. That's De'Aaron, bro. They be trying to hold De'Aaron Fox too. They let you play good with him on 2K, but then they lower his ratings, bro. Cause you know De'Aaron Fox is nice, bro. Like, all the shit he be doing in the season, bro. He not in a big market team where you gonna get like them good games or whatever. But
Booker turns.
bang! Look at that boy. Look at that boy. On the best team in the NBA right now. Phoenix Suns.
Oh, my goodness. Deep three. That was about 10 feet behind the three-point line. Wow.
It's now 10 of 17 tonight.
Got a lot of Dame in this. Because he don't care. He don't care, bro. He gonna launch it. He gonna launch it, bro, because he don't care. Oh, I'm about to say a little trash swish. Oh, no, it's a trash dunk, though. Ooh, little trash. Little trash, bro. I tell you, bro, if he can shoot, bro. Look at his ass. Look at his ass. He a menace. Oh, God.
Goes quick, hammers it home. Oh, he caught a ball.
Look at that move, bro. That move alone, that should give me Melo. That should give me Melo vibes. But you know, Melo, he do that when he already like facing up in a post. But right there, bro, that give me like Melo, CB, like Charles Barkley, like type vibes, bro. Like he quick, strong. His post game is wicked. His footwork wicked. Who that? Oh, that's the twin. That's the twin. Cody Martin.
Well, they've only played 16 road games.
Bang! Tough, 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 tough. I needed some Jeff Teague in my life, bro. Monte. You hear that switch, though? That switch is beautiful. Why they give away Paul Millsap, bro? When they gave away Paul Millsap, bro, it was over for them. Zach LaVine is the truth, bro. Like, him and DeMar together this season is going to be crazy, bro. Jeremy. He a dog, too. Hey, chill out trying to... Oh, I thought that was Chris. Shit, you good? Go ahead. Do your shit. Oh. You know, Pandemic always going to be nice, bro. He just a natural hooper, bro. He just a natural hooper, bro. Hey, that video was great, bro. If y'all like that video, man, please drop a like, comment, and sub so I can do way more videos like this, bro. Because I love this, bro. I love this vibe, bro. I need more basketball folks, more hooping folks to talk to about or talk with in the comment section. For sure, for sure. It's your boy ChampReacts. We out, man.